Good morning and welcome back to the vlogs. We are back vlogging. It has been about a month now since I vlogged last. I've been doing a lot of sit down videos, the 2023 year in review and 2024 goals and Xtrain and all of that exciting stuff. So we're finally back to vlogging and I'm excited. Speaking of the Xtrain series, I am currently in week 1 of Xtrain and we'll kind of touch on that a little bit later, how it's been going and all of that. But so far so good. It's about 8 o'clock right now. I'm going to head downstairs and get the day started. This has been my go-to breakfast for the last week or so. It's really simple. I started out having a little bit more in here. I had like some chipotle sauce and all of that, but I'm kind of a basic girl and I just like basic things and it's super good. Really filling too. Sometimes I'll put 2 eggs if I need a little extra protein. And then of course I combine it with my protein coffee and it's a good amount of protein for breakfast. It holds me over really well for a few hours.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change. Yeah, I know that it's been ages, but it kinda feels the same. No matter how hard you try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA. And no matter how hard I try, I cannot get you out of my system. I know we both have some things left to say. Can you stay a little longer? Can I make you change your mind? Yeah, I know that it's over.
Oh man, it is cold out. My cheeks are all red. It is like 10 degrees out. It's freezing. I'm trying not to go on super long walks at a time right now with the cold weather, so I did not take a long walk, so I'm gonna end up having to go on another walk later so I can get my 2.25 miles. I didn't take Alfie on this one because this one was just a little bit longer than the one that I'm gonna take later. We'll see if I bring Alfie or not. He cannot stand the cold as well as Luna. I do have a jacket and my mom got him little boots for Christmas. I'm not sure. I haven't tried them on him yet, so I'm not sure that they're gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. If it doesn't work, I'm not gonna take him out. But this weekend it's gonna get really cold, like below 0, and I don't know that I'm gonna be able to take them on walks, at least not very long anyway. I might have to take my treadmill out and walk that way. I can't be taking the dogs on walks when it's that cold out. It hurts their paws and it's just not good. We'll see what happens, but right now I'm gonna make some lunch. Earlier this week I made a stuffed pepper casserole and it is super good. I'm gonna heat that up for some lunch. I will leave a link to the recipe down below if you guys want to try it out. If you're not a casserole person, I did see some reviews on the website of some people saying that they don't like that it's just mushy. You could just not cut the vegetables so small like I did, or you could make it into a soup and just add some broth to it. I don't mind casseroles. I'm Midwestern. I grew up on casseroles, so that's how I made it. I might try to make it into a soup next time just to try something different.
That's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push are numb. Oh, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble.
That was one tough workout. My legs are still sore from my workout on Tuesday. I did the cardio leg blast. It was the plyometric leg workout, and my legs are still pretty sore, but I did it, and that was actually a really long workout. It was supposed to be longer. I was supposed to do the premix 3, and it includes rear delts, but I didn't want to include that today. I didn't have enough time. I just did the regular legs workout. It was the standing, bar, ball and chair, and then floor. So all of the sections of the workout. So it really worked my legs like really well. But before it gets dark, I am going to go for a quick walk. I just need to go for about half a mile, and then I'll get my 2.25 miles for the day, and then it's time to make some dinner.
That's cool with you, cool with you, cool with you. 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Is that cool with you, cool with you, cool with you? 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me.
Ooh, it has gotten colder, which is why I did not bring Alfie with me. 9 degrees, but it feels like it's almost 0. And even Luna was like, hurry up, Mom, let's go, and pulling me. But I'm gonna make some dinner. Lately, I've been having these really good salmon bowls. I've just been making salmon in the air fryer and adding rice and broccoli and red bell peppers to it. Tonight, I'm gonna try it with some red potatoes.
I thought it would kill me. I thought it would kill me to fall again. But I hit the ground running. So I didn't feel a single thing. My mind was occupied, man, I was on a high. I could go forever, get a minute of your time. If this is what it's like, I could get used to late nights, dancing my place. I could get used to long drives, cash price, your place. I could get used to be fighting just for the hell of it, and you couldn't live with it 'cause you needed it.
Salmon, you guys, in the air fryer is the absolute best. It just comes out perfect every time. Such a good dinner. And now I'm going to do a little bit of editing, maybe for like 45 minutes until about 6:30, and then I'm gonna start a bath and start a self-care night because today's Thursday, which means tomorrow starts volleyball. I gotta take care of myself, go to bed early, get a lot of sleep, and rest up for the weekend.
I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to I would cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did.
Excuse my appearance, all my makeup and everything is off. I'm getting ready to put on some masks and relax. I am looking forward to this bath because I am so sore. The workouts that I have been doing this week have left me very sore, and I can barely walk up and down the stairs. My arms hurt, everything hurts. I'm gonna watch The Voice while I relax and sip my Hi-Yo here. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got some new bath things. I got this bath tray here, and I also got that pillow behind me. It just makes my bath times so much more relaxing and enjoyable. It's the little things.
I